Good evening, brothers and sisters. Today is the 7th of the 4th, 2013. My name is MANSUEKI BUNDU. Today we're going to go with numbers from 200 to 210. Start from the top. Inkama Zole. Inkama Zole Ye Mosi. This is 201. Inkama Zole Ye Zole. This is 202. Inkama Zole Ye Tato. This is 203. Inkama Zole Ye Ya. This is 204. Inkama Zole Ye Tano is 205. Inkama Zole Ye Sambano is 206. Inkama Zole Ye in Sambodia Inkama Zole Ye Nana Inkama Zole Ye Wa Inkama Zole Ye Kumi. Okay, so we're gonna go for a recap from the top. So starting from the top, Inkama Zole, which is 200. Inkama Zole Ye Mosi, 201. Inkama Zole Ye Zole is 202. Inkama Zole Ye Tatu, which is 203. Inkama Zole Ye Ya, which is 204. Inkama Zole Ye Tano, which is 205. Inkama Zole Ye Sambano, which is 206. Inkama Zole Ye in Sambodia is 207. Inkama Zole Ye Nana, which is 208. Inkama Ye Zole, no, sorry, Millenvu. Inkama Zole Ye Voix, which is 209. in Kamazole Ye Kumi, which is 210. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining me. MANSUEKI Melendu have another lesson. Matundu.